Diddy just got denied for a small loan. Paid every bill on time, never missed a payment. So why the rejection? Banks quietly switched to a new way of scoring people. Here are 4 things that changed. And the last one changes how you should treat credit completely. Most lenders still use FICO 8, built in 2009. But a newer model, FICO 10T, is already required for mortgage lenders and spreading to other loans. Where it's used, the rules are different. Rule 1. The old system worked like a photo, one balance, checked once a month. FICO 10T works like a security camera. It records your balances over the past 24 months and watches the direction. This is trended data. Not how much do you owe today, but is that number climbing or shrinking? A falling balance looks safer than a low balance. That just happened to be low on checkout day. Diddy used to pay off his card right before the statement closed and call it fixed. Under the new system, that trick loses power. If the balance climbed for months before that, the system still sees the climb. Real result. 2 people apply for the same car loan. Same score today. One has been climbing for months, then paid off last minute. The other has been flat or falling for a year. Under FICO 10T, the second one gets the better rate, even with an identical score on paper. Rule 2. Utilization. How much of your limit you're actually using still matters. Keep it under 30%. As of early 2026, the average American uses about 36% of available credit, according to TransUnion data via WalletHub. Already above the safe zone, and it's part of why average scores are slipping. FICO 10T splits people into transactors, who pay in full monthly, and revolvers, who carry balances. Transactors score higher, even if the revolver eventually pays everything off. Transactors' score remembers the months carrying debt. So Diddy swipes hard on a gaming chair. Utilization spikes to 80%. Diddy paying off the balance the next month. He pays it off next month. The spike is still visible as a bump on his 24-month trend line, but the spike is now part of his 24-month trend. It takes several months of low utilization to outweigh that one spike, not one clean statement. Fix. Auto-pay the full statement balance, not the minimum. A method called ASIO, all zero except one, 4 of Diddy's cards shown at $0, 1 card with a small balance, keeps most cards at 0 and 1 card low, which reads as textbook transactor behavior. Now, Rule 3. Buy now, pay later, the split into 4 apps, are no longer invisible. FICO built FICO 10 BNPL and FICO 10T BNPL specifically, data lines flowing from the BNPL app into the credit file to include this data when it's reported. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found roughly 1 in 5 credit users took out a BNPL loan in a single year. It feels like spending. To a lender, it's debt with your name on it. $20 payment missed. Diddy misses one $20 BNPL payment. It can ding his score the same way a missed credit card payment would. Worse, the CFPB has flagged that people are juggling several BNPL plans at once. Looks riskier to lenders, even if each payment is tiny. Rule 4, the one that changes everything else on this list. Under the old system, you could fix your score fast. Pay off a card 2 weeks before applying, score jumps almost immediately. Under FICO 10T, that sprint doesn't work the same way. One clean month doesn't erase months of rising balances. One rough month before a payoff won't tank you either. What counts is the direction over roughly 2 years. 2 renters apply for the same apartment with co-signed credit checks, both holding identical score slips. Same score today. One threw a fix together last month. One has been quietly consistent for 2 years. Landlord and lender both lean toward the second one because trended data shows stability, not a patch job. This matters most if you're young and just starting to build credit. The habits you build this year are what a lender actually sees. 2 years from now, not a fix you scramble to do the month you need approval. Real move? Don't panic a month before a big application. Pay in full. Keep utilization low. Don't miss BNPL payments. Let 2 years of consistency do the talking. That's the shift most people haven't caught on to yet. For the 5 core factors that build a credit score, in the first place, the video linked below breaks it down well. Go watch it, and always double-check anything money-related before making a real decision.